trying to be nickel slick for some crumbs. Man, ain't that much money in the world for me to risk my life. I would never risk my life for no money. No, 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 no. Come on, man. Come on, black man, I'm telling you. Man, the world is going, high tech is going in a whole nother direction. Things is not finna be the same. It's over. They got so many things that they coming out with that's finna change the way that we live, the way that we use credit and money, the way how we finna function. And we ain't gonna have no choice but to get with it when they implement it. It's not finna be the same.